Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet. So first you have to deposit into the app called Binance. And then select your coin. For this we're going with Solana. And then choose the Solana network. Then copy your deposit address. And then go back to Phantom. Next we have to transfer from Phantom to Binance. So first select a token again. And then paste the deposit address. And then click next, and then type in the amount of SOL you want to transfer. After you follow the needed procedures, go back to Binance and wait for your funds to be deposited. Next, we have to convert Solana to USDT. Go to settings in the upper right corner and click convert. And then search for your token. And then from here, you can just convert the selected funds. Next, we need to go to P2P. And then from here, just select the one with the most likes, because that means that they're a trusted trader. And then after that, select your payment method. After you add a payment method, just click place order. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from your Phantom wallet.